Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install a protective glass on your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV device using household items, home remedies, I don't know. So I have not found a protective glass specifically for this device, but I will be use glass from Realme 8i device. Of course, this is a temporary resolve, but video tutorial will be the same. So firstly, we need to wrap our screen using the microfiber or towel or paper towel. So just wrap your screen. Cool. Now remove protective film from your protective glass and try to install the glass evenly on the phone screen. So looks good. Now press on your protective glass using your microfiber. Wait a while. And great. Now just remove the bubbles from your protective glass. I have something here. I have microphone here. Shit. Really? It was just dirt. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel and comment this video. Bye, see you.